the week. How are you today? Repeat after me. The month is January. I know that yesterday was January 5th, so today is January 6th. January is the first month of the year. It is the 6th day of January in 2021. January 6, 2021. Today is Wednesday. That means tomorrow will be Thursday. If tomorrow is Thursday and today is Wednesday, then yesterday must have been Tuesday. Yesterday we had been at school for 56 days. If yesterday was 56 and we add one more, I know that is 57. So we've been at school for 57 days. I'm going to go 25, 50, 55, 56, 57. See if you can make it today with some real change around your house. Here are our words. Full, again, pull, goes, both, pretty. All right, today I am going halfway in between 40 and 50. I want you to think about what is halfway in between 40 and 50. And if you said 45, you are absolutely correct. All right, here comes a new time. Oh, my hour hand that I read first is pointed down at the 6. My minute hand is pointed at the 12, which means o'clock. So I know that it is 6 o'clock. Make it a great day.